Hey, my name is Gabrielle, and I'm going to show you my after dinner cleaning routine. I do this daily, every night. So right now I am cleaning down the countertops. That way I can brush everything on the floor to prepare for sweeping. This is where I keep all of my cloths organized. After I get everything wiped down, I like to dry it with microfiber cloth. Throughout the day, I load the dishwasher so that there aren't any dishes in the sink. That way, at the end of the day, all I have to do is put in the soap powder and turn the dishwasher on. And I got this cute sign from Amazon so you know if it's clean or dirty inside. So now I am going to sweep everything into a pile. That's it. Just 3 things: sweep your floor, wipe down your countertops, and load your dishwasher. Thanks for watching. Happy cleaning.